How to repair PST file in Outlook.
Microsoft Outlook includes a built-in utility known as the Inbox Repair Tool, also called ScanPST.exe, designed to help you repair corrupted or damaged PST files. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to locate this tool and use it to repair your PST files quickly and effectively. So let's get started. First, right-click on your Outlook application and select Open File Location. This will take you to the default installation directory of Outlook. Here, look for a file named ScanPST.exe. Once you find it, simply double-click to launch the tool. Now, in the Inbox Repair Tool window, click on the Browse button and select the PST file you want to repair. After selecting the file, click Open and then press the Start button. The tool will begin scanning your PST file for errors and inconsistencies. This process may take a few moments depending on the file size. Once the scan is complete, click on the Repair button to fix the detected issues. The tool will start repairing the file, and once the process is finished, you'll see a confirmation message saying Repair Complete. And that's how you can easily repair your PST file using Outlook's built-in Inbox Repair Tool. However, it's important to note that ScanPST.exe has certain limitations and may not be able to recover severely corrupted PST files or restore all data accurately. For a more advanced and reliable solution, you can try Regain PST Recovery Software. It is designed to recover emails, contacts, calendars, and other mailbox data from even highly corrupted PST files with high accuracy and ease. If you're dealing with complex PST corruption issues, this tool can save you a lot of time and effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.